Namaste, my dear children. Welcome to distance learning sessions through videos. This video is made for class 4 maths chapter number 2 addition and subtraction, and this is the second session on this chapter. Today let us learn addition of large numbers. We are now familiar with 5 digit and 6 digit numbers. These numbers have place values up to the lakhs place. They are added in the same way as 4 digit numbers are added. That means the way of adding large numbers is same as the way of adding single digit, 2 digit, 3 digit or 4 digit numbers. Addition without regrouping. While adding the digits, if the sum is less than or equal to 9, there will not be regrouping of digits. So first let us discuss addition without regrouping. So while adding, what we should do is arrange the numbers in columns according to the place values and add the following order. So add in the following order, so as shown below. So you should remember these place names: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakhs. So these are the place names. Example number 1. Add 41,243 and 27,635. So we need to add these numbers. So solution is also given in our book. So while adding, what we do is we will write the given numbers vertically or one below the other according to their place values, starting from ones place. So 41,243 is written, and just below that 27,635 is written with a plus sign indicating we are adding these two numbers. So here observe, here adding these numbers, regrouping is not involved here. Just look here. So when we add 3 and 5, we get 8. 4 plus 3 is 7. 2 plus 6 is 8. 1 plus 7 is 8. And 4 plus 2 is 6. So since all these digits are less than 9, regrouping is not involved. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನಾವು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂತಹ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಗಳ ಸಮ್ಮು 9 ಅಥವಾ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ 9 ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಆಗ ರೀಗ್ರೂಪಿಂಗ್ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2. ಆ್ಯಡ್ 6,51,423 and 3,28,254. Here also you need to add similarly as explained in example number 1. So we will write down the given numbers one below the other according to their place values, and we start adding from the digits in ones place. 3 plus 4 is 7, 2 plus 5 is 7, 4 plus 2 is 6, 1 plus 8 is 9, 5 plus 2 is 7 and 6 plus 3 is 9. In this example also, the digits we got when we add these digits in different place are 9 or less than 9 Therefore, regrouping is not necessary for such addition. So before going to addition of numbers with regrouping, we need to remember these facts. That is, 10 ones is equal to 110. You should know and remember these. 10 tens is equal to 100. 10 hundreds is equal to 1000. 10 thousands is equal to 1/10,000. 10 thousands is equal to 1 lakh. So you should remember all these facts which you need while regrouping the numbers when you add or subtract. Addition with the regrouping. Arrange the numbers in columns according to the place values and add. Regroup wherever required. So if regrouping is required, we will regroup and add the given numbers. Example number 3. Add 39,089 and 56,806. So we will write down the given numbers one below the other according to their place values and we will add. So when we add 9 and 6, so 9 plus 6 is 15. So 15 should be regrouped as 110 and 5 ones. So as we know, 15 is having 110 and 5 ones. So 110 is carried forward to the tens place. Understand it clearly. The 110 which is obtained from 15 is carried forward to the tens column and it should be included while adding the digits in tens place. So here we add 1 plus 8, it will be 9, and 9 plus 0 is 9. So it represents 9 tens, remember. So there is no digit to be carried forward to the next place because it is just 9. So when we add the digits in hundreds place, so 0 hundreds and 8 hundreds. So 0 hundreds plus 8 hundreds is just 8 hundreds. And coming to thousands place, here we have 9 thousands plus 6 thousands. When we add 9 thousands and 6 thousands, we get 15 thousands. So in 15 thousands we can regroup as 1/10,000 and 5 thousands. So 5 thousands or 5 is written here and 1/10,000 is carried forward to the 10 thousands place. So now we will include this while adding these digits, and 1/10,000 plus 3/10,000 is 4/10,000 and 4/10,000 plus 5 is 9/10,000. So therefore the sum we get after adding these two numbers is 95,895. So here after adding we need to understand one important thing is, so the numbers which we add are called as addends. These numbers which we are adding are called addends and the answer we get after adding the numbers is called as sum or total. Remember the names. Example number 4. So add 20,833, 39,989 and 1,33,455. Solution is given in the textbook itself. Understand and then copy all these examples into your maths notes. So as we did earlier, first we need to add the digits at ones place, that is 3 plus 9 is 12, 12 plus 5 is 17, so 7 ones are written here and 110 is carried forward to the tens place and we will add these digits now. 1 plus 3, so here always the digits represents tens, 1 10, 3 tens, 8 tens, 5 tens. You should know that. So in each places, the digits represents the numbers or the places given above. So 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 8 is 12, 12 plus 5 is 17. So 7 is written here, 1 is carried forward to the next place or hundreds place. And 1 plus 8 is 9, 9 plus 9 is 18, and 18 plus 4 is 22. 2 is written here and 2 is carried forward to the next place. 2 plus 0 is 2, and 2 plus 9 is 11, 11 plus 3 is 14, 4 is written here, 1 is carried forward, and 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9. So since 9, 9, if the digit is 9 or less than 9, there will be no number to be carried to the next column. So therefore, in the lakhs column we have just 1, so we will retain 1 in the lakhs place in the sum. The sum after adding the given three numbers is 1,94,277. This is the sum, and all the three numbers which we added are called addends. The number of addends may be 2, 3, 4 or 5 while adding numbers. Try these. Number 1. So add. The numbers are given here. So you need to write these numbers vertically, one below the other, and then you should add the numbers to get the sum. So while writing down the numbers one below the other or vertically, you should take care about the place values of these digits. So you should write from right to left. Example number 5. Find the sum of the smallest 5-digit odd number and the greatest 4-digit even number. So, solution. The smallest 5-digit odd number is 10,001. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits, and this is the smallest 5-digit odd number. The greatest 4-digit even number is, so we know that the greatest 4-digit number is 9,999, but it is odd number. So we need the greatest 4-digit even number. So 1 less than 9,999 is 9,998, which is an even number. So we need to add these two numbers to get the sum of these numbers. So we will write down the numbers one below the other. So here we have 10,001, and in the second line we have 9,998. So we will add these two to get the sum. 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 0 is 9, 9 plus 0 is 9, and 9 plus 0 is 9. Here we have 1, no digit is in the second number in the 10,000's place, so it will be just 1. It will be written in the sum. So therefore their sum is equal to 10,001 plus 9,998 is equal to 19,999. So this is the required solution. Now let us take example number 6. Rohan bought a car for rupees 2,49,500 and spent rupees 62,845 on repair and accessories. How much did he spend on the car altogether? So in this question, a person called Rohan bought a car for rupees 2,49,500. So it is a second hand car, because we will understand that he is spending some money on its repair and accessories. So he spent rupees 62,845 on the repair of the car and for some accessories. ಅಸೆಸರೀಸ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಫಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ಸು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಅಡಿಷನಲಿ ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಕಾರಿಗೆ ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಫಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಬೇಕು ಅವನಿಗೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಅವನದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅದರ ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅಸೆಸರೀಸಿಗೆ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂಥ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಆ ಕಾರನ್ನು ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬ ಪರ್ಸನ್ನಿಂದ ರೋಹನ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಡಿಡ್ ಹಿ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಕಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಆ ಕಾರಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಅಮೌಂಟು, ಕಾರಿನ ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅಸೆಸರೀಸ್ಗೆ ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿದಂಥ ಹಣ, ಎರಡೂ ಸೇರಿ ಒಟ್ಟು ಎಷ್ಟು ಹಣವನ್ನು ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಅವನು ಕಾರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನಾವೀಗ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್: ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಸ್ಪೆಂಟ್ ಬೈ ರೋಹನ್, ವಿ ಆಡ್ ದ ಟೂ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಈ ಎರಡು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಆ ಕಾರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ರೋಹನ್ ಒಟ್ಟು ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟನ್ನು ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂತ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕಾರ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು rupees 2,49,500 and money spent on repair and accessories is equal to rupees 62,845. So to find the total amount he spent, we need to add these numbers. Therefore, total money spent is equal to rupees 2,49,500 plus rupees 62,845. Let us add these numbers now to get the total amount. So the cost of the car is 2,49,500 rupees. So we will write down only numbers excluding that rupees symbol. It is not required for addition here. At the final answer we will include that symbol and express the final answer. So the numbers we need to be added are 2,49,500 and 62,845. Let us add these numbers now. 0 plus 5 is 5, 0 plus 4 is 4, 5 plus 8 is 13. So we write 3 here, 1 will be carried forward to the next place. And 1 plus 9 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12. So we write 2 here, 1 is carried forward to the next place. 1 plus 4 is 5 and 5 plus 6 is 11. 1 is written here, 1 is carried to the next place. And 1 plus 2 is 3. So the sum is 3,12,345. So when we add these amounts, what we get is total amount is rupees 3,12,345. The conclusion is, thus Rohan spent rupees 3,12,345 altogether. So this is the total amount that Rohan has spent on the car. So like this, you should understand the given word problems and solve as shown here in this example. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned the problems we discussed in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye children.